Hey, so I wanted to show off a command that I built during the last development cycle. It's related to Docker deployment. So one of the problems with Docker deployment is that you're going to end up with a lot of images. So if I just do a quick example here with this WooCommerce project that I have, um, if we just do a quick list of Docker images, you can see that already I have a few images and they're taking 600 megs. So you might end up in a situation where you run out of computer space and you need to make some space for your Docker basically ends up taking all the computer space, which is an annoying thing with Docker. So I built this handy helper function that will let you clear out your project's deployment images. So if you're deploying from your computer, it'll clean that up. So it's the emir docker delete images. And actually, before we run it, I'll just show you the help for it. So there's the main thing with it is that you have two options. If you're in a project, it'll try to figure out, for example, okay, we like this is the repository for these images with the tags. So we know like we want to just delete the images for this project. So that's what it'll do by default. But if you want to do a bit more of a like brute force clear, you can use the all option. So the all option is not the same exactly as if you're a bit familiar with Docker. There's like prune commands. It's not going to run the prune command and delete everything that you have. So it's not as dangerous as that. But what it's going to do is that it's going to look for the Docker container repository, the Elastic Container Repository in your list of repositories, and it's going to delete all of those. So if, for example, you were using the Elastic Container Repository with something else than Emir, then those images would get deleted. But in general, it should be pretty safe to run that. But if you want to be safer, you should run it inside the project that you want to clean up the images of. So if we run it now, delete images. So it's going to confirm if you want to delete it. And if we just do yes, and now if we run that Docker command again, you'll see that all the images are gone. So it's not like a big thing, but again, they're just small quality of life things that I like doing with Emir, the Emir CLI, to really help you out without you having to just do a lot of stuff or learn a lot of the commands with Docker yourself. So hope you like it.